back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be attempting to achieve the illusion of perfect skin. Now, I watched Patrick Starr's video that he recently put out about how to achieve perfect skin, or the illusion of perfect skin, and I was a little bit blown away by his technique of using his hands to blend everything in. Never once, not even one time, has it crossed my mind to use my hands to blend in my liquid and cream products onto my face. In his video, he was talking about how your hands are basically your best makeup tool, and I'm here today to test out that theory. I don't know if I believe it. It just kind of seems gross to me, like it's just gonna make a really big mess, but I've never tried it, and I'm open to the challenge. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started blending things with our fingers and hands and yeah. Okay, so the very first thing I'm going to do is prime my face. I've already moisturized and all that good stuff, so let's get into the good stuff. I mean, I guess I apply my primers with my hands, but that doesn't seem weird. So now the skin is primed, we have zoomed in the camera as close as I can get it. You can really see what's going on with this. The discoloration, the bags, the freckles, you guys can see it all. So starting out this video, we know already my skin is not perfect, but can I create the illusion that it is? That's what we're here to try. So here we go. I want to try this strobing liquid by Maybelline. I haven't used it in such a long time, and since I'm blending with my hands today, I may as well put all the liquid products on, right? So this is the Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid. This one's in the shade Light. I just want to put a little bit on because I've been wearing matte products so much that I just want to put on a little something shimmery. Oh god, this feels awful! Ah! Ew, I hate this. Oh, wow, was that too much? Have I already screwed this up? I'm kind of treating everything like it were lotion, kind of. I look like the Tin Man. Oh god. I hate having dirty hands. Like, just anything on my hands drives me insane. Like, it's just so gross to me. It doesn't even matter. It doesn't matter what it is. If there's something on my hands creating, you know, making it to where I cannot use my hands to touch other things, gives me anxiety, it bothers me, and I hate it. Great, so let's continue putting things on my hands. So, what do I want to do first? Do I want to color correct first? Let's do it, because, I mean, that's how I do it normally. So I'm going to take this NYX Dark Circle Color Corrector on my finger and just tap it into place underneath of my eye. Okay, just do it. No, you look awful right now anyway, so just do it. Okay, so I'm going to be using the YSL Hours Foundation. I've been using this one a lot lately. I really like it. This one's in the shade B50 Honey. It's a little bit too dark for my superbly pale skin right now, but we're just going to go with it. Oh, how am I going to blend this down my neck? Oh, God. Alright, here we go. I don't know how much to use, like, because it's not going to soak into my fingers like it would a brush or a sponge. Oh, God. Here we go. Oh, this just feels wrong! Oh. Oh! Here we go. Oh, Lord. Just blend it in like I would you're putting on, oh god, can I even trick myself? You're putting on a moisturizer. Okay, so right out of the gate, I'm having a horrible time blending into my hairline. Oh god, do you see my neck? Ah! I don't want to touch the bottle because my hands are, I realize I'm probably way overreacting, but this is just such a pet peeve of mine that I hate dirty hands. So first application, we can see I've missed a few spots. I mean, in my hairline looks terrible, but that's normal. But there's no like makeup blended into it. Put on more to fill in the spots we missed. Oh no, do I have way too much on now? Oh, this is like hard to blend because I feel like I'm about to tug my skin off. Like, literally, I feel like I'm about to tug my skin off of my body. Oh god, this looks terrible. Oh gosh, I hate this. How do people do this? Like, I know, like, this is not a new concept. People legitimately do this, and I just don't understand how. This is taking, for one, this is taking me so long. Like, I thought I understood this was supposed to be quicker. And for me, it is not at all. This is normally a full coverage foundation and you can just see right through it. Okay, so the concealer that I'm going to be using is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I really like this concealer. It is really good. The one that I'm using is the shade Medium 22. Apply it. Oh god, how am I going to do this? It's like, do I need as much still? I don't know. Oh, I feel like I look awful. I look awful. This is... Concealer is definitely helping this not look as bad. I think this is as blended as I'm going to get. Oh god, what do you guys think? I think the concealer helped a lot, but I still hate it. I feel like everything is just settling into my fine lines. I have no way of like tapping that out. I'm just going to end up setting them. Let's go ahead and set the face before any more lines appear. And we'll see how it looks after that. Okay, so now that I have my entire face set, like I normally would, what do we think? Does it look flawless still? Or at all? I say still. No, I never thought it looked flawless. I do think it doesn't look as bad as I originally thought it would turn out to be, but I still don't like it because I feel like nothing has sunk into the skin. I feel very cakey, and normally with my routine I don't feel that way because of how I apply the makeup. So, yeah. This was not any quicker for me. It took, in my opinion, a lot longer to apply it with my hands. Granted though, this was my first time, so that could be user error and the fact that I am so grossed out by anything slimy on my hands. Does it look good? Is it passable? Do I look like a caked up mess? Let me know in the comments below. So I'm going to go ahead and take this time to finish off the rest of my face. I will come back at the very end. We'll see how everything looks at the end. And I'll give you my final thoughts on applying makeup with your hands. So I have on the rest of my face. And of course the tutorial for this look that I'm wearing right here will be coming up very, very soon. What do you guys think about how the base looks? Truthfully, now that we've reached the end, I don't think it looks terrible, but I still don't really like it. I think it's passable. Like, it looks very natural. I think whenever I was in the process of putting on all the powders, that everything kind of started sinking into the skin a little bit more, and I use my MAC Fix Plus, which you guys know is like a holy grail item for me, and that of course helps to sink things into the skin. So I think between the two of those, it has helped a lot, but this is just a little bit too natural skin. What am I trying to say? It looks a little bit too much like natural skin to me. I thoroughly enjoy that caked on look without feeling like it's caked on. That's just my personal preference. If that's not yours, that's perfectly fine. We are allowed to have difference in opinions. I guess the one perk of doing it this way is I don't have to wipe makeup off of my earrings. That's something I pretty much have to do every single time that I do my makeup, is like wipe my earrings off because I get them caked in like foundation and such. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. The button to do so is right down below. Click that notification bell right next to you so you get notified every single time that I upload. Give this video a like if you did enjoy it. Let me know in the comments below. Do you guys apply your foundation this way? Am I ridiculous for thinking this is the grossest thing ever? I realize people do this, but it's still, to me, just like, ugh, so bad. Ugh, yuck. Like, I still want to like wash my hands more. Ugh. They still feel dirty to me. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!